Hey everyone, want to use NotebookLM like a research expert? In this video, I'll show you how to build an efficient research workflow, analyze documents, and uncover valuable insights using NotebookLM step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and create a new notebook for your research project. Next, gather high-quality research materials, such as PDFs, journal articles, books, Google Docs, reports, and other trusted sources related to your topic. Now upload your sources into NotebookLM and organize them by subject, project, or research category. I mean, a well-organized notebook makes it much easier to find information and ask focused questions. Once your documents are processed, start with broad questions to understand the overall topic, then gradually ask more specific follow-up questions. Ask NotebookLM to summarize research papers, compare multiple documents, identify trends, explain complex concepts, and highlight important findings. Next, use the source citations to verify answers and quickly jump to the original sections of your documents for additional context. Create structured research notes by asking NotebookLM to generate outlines, timelines, study guides, comparison tables, and key takeaways from your sources. As your project grows, keep refining your notebook by removing outdated files, adding new research, and organizing documents into logical groups. Save your most effective prompts and reuse them across future projects to speed up your research workflow. Finally, review your AI-generated insights alongside your original documents before using them in reports, presentations, or academic work. And that's how to use NotebookLM like a research expert. With organized sources, thoughtful prompts, and a structured workflow, you can research faster, understand complex information more easily, and produce higher quality work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.